Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. The futuristic, heavily modified Suzuki Mehran SUV is a complete reimagination of a compact urban car turned into an off-road ready beast. Looking at it from the rear view, it's hard to believe this transformation began with a humble city car. The entire design reflects boldness, capability, and a forward-thinking aesthetic that blends rugged performance with modern style. The matte white finish immediately gives the Mehran an upscale, stealth-like presence. It reflects a sense of durability and strength, enhanced by aggressive black detailing around the edges of the bumper and fenders. Subtle yet striking yellow accents run along the custom rear bumper, adding a sporty contrast that breaks the minimalism in all the right ways. At the center of the rear hatch, the name, Mehran, is clearly branded, grounding the transformation in its original identity while proudly displaying its upgraded character. The rear LED taillights are slim, sharp, and modern, extending horizontally and blending into the design seamlessly. A full-width LED light bar is integrated within the bumper area, providing extra illumination for off-road adventures or night drives while contributing to the SUV's futuristic appeal. Beneath the body, oversized off-road tires with deep treads show the SUV's rugged intent. These are wrapped around custom black alloy wheels designed not only for aesthetics but also to handle difficult terrain with ease. The vehicle's elevated ground clearance is immediately noticeable, supported by a modified suspension system that gives the Mehran SUV a dominant road presence. The rear skid plate tucked beneath the bumper hints at serious off-road capability, while still fitting perfectly within the sleek, angular body design. From a utility standpoint, the rear design includes a wide-opening hatch, perfect for gear loading or adventure-ready setups. The tinted rear glass adds an extra layer of privacy and style, while the aerodynamic design elements balance out the vehicle's otherwise boxy origins. Small design details like air vents, diffusers, and textured paneling give the back end depth and character, making it feel more like a high-end SUV concept than a small car from decades past. Everything about the rear view of this Mehran SUV screams performance and bold attitude. The lighting, the stance, and the textures all work together to present something that's totally unique, something that breaks the mold of what people expect from a car like the Mehran. The customization is clearly done with passion and precision, from the shape of the bumper cutouts to the way the black trim outlines the rear profile. It's not just about looking cool, it's about reimagining a classic with modern materials and vision. While the rear view already speaks volumes, it's easy to imagine that the rest of the SUV follows the same design language, aggressive from the front, tough from the side, and clean yet commanding from every angle. This build isn't just for show, it looks ready for desert runs, mountain climbs, or simply standing out on the city streets. Transforming a car like the Mehran, known for its affordability and simplicity, into a futuristic SUV is a bold creative leap. It represents a growing trend in the custom car world where personality and imagination take center stage. The white Mehran SUV, with its matte finish, yellow highlights, LED light bar, and muscular bodywork, is more than a concept, it's a statement. If you're into futuristic car designs, modified builds, or just love seeing classics reimagined in totally unexpected ways, make sure to like this content, share it with your fellow car lovers, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more wild transformations like this. 1.